Hey guys, this is Miss Ani, and this is going to be a lesson on squaring a number. So I want to know, when you see this guy right here, when you see a number and then it has another small number up above it, do you know what to say when you see it? If you see this, do you know what to say? Well, if you don't, I'm not surprised because there's a lot of things you can actually say. So here are all of the ways that you can say that number. When you see the 5 with a little 2 above it, you can say 5 squared. You can say 5 to the power of 2. Or you can say 5 to the second power. This little number up here is an exponent. Sometimes it's called a power. So the most common that you will hear people say is you'll hear them say 5 squared. So we need to talk about, what does it mean when you square a number? This 5 right here is squared. And what does that mean? So what this actually means is it means that you have two 5s. So let me show you real quick what that might look like. Okay, so you have two 5s, so that would be like this. Let me give myself two 5s. You got a 5, and you got another 5. And what that little 2 means is it means you have two 5s, and they are actually multiplied. So it would look a little something like this. That 5 squared means 5 times 5. And of course we know, right? 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Or if we don't know, we can put it in the calculator. So here's how this thing would work. Let's take a look at another example, because we could do this with any number. So let me just copy these and we'll look at it with a different number. What if this were an 8? So 8 squared actually means 8 times 8. It means you've got two 8s and they're multiplied together. So 8 times 8, if you put that in your calculator or if you know it in your brain, it is 64. So that's how squaring a number works. When you square a number, it means that you multiply it by itself. And that's the answer. So here is the biggest mistake that people make when they see 5 squared. A lot of people will see this. Let me make a copy of it. And when they have to figure out what it equals, they see the 5 and they see the 2 and they think to themselves, oh, that equals 5 times 2, right? 5 times 2, which we know is 10. And so instead of getting 5 squared equals 25 like we have up above, they'll say 5 squared equals 2. Most common mistake that people make. So you need to remember that this right here, nope, that's not how you do it. And that's about it.